YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very simple vanilla cake. And this is our ingredients. Our flour, 350 grams. We're going to take our baking powder and sieve it. Then we'll start by putting our sugar inside the mixing bowl, our margarine, we are going to whisk it until it becomes whitish and fluffy. Okay, now we'll start putting our eggs one by one. We lower the speed. And to make sure that our mix doesn't curdle, we add a little bit of flour. Then we'll put a tablespoon of vanilla essence. Then I'll put flour in bits. vanilla cake is ready to be baked in the oven at 180 degrees for 45 minutes. Viewers, you can see how the vanilla cake came out. It came out so well. It baked so well. Please try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. And also, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And we are going to be cutting the cake so that you can see the cake from inside. You can see how our cake baked. It baked up so well. You can see, very nice vanilla cake. It's very nice. It's very spongy from inside. It's very crunchy at the top. You can see how the cake baked, the vanilla cake. It baked out so well. You can see how it is. It is very moisty at the inside and crunchy outside. It's a very nice recipe. Please try it and let me know how your results were in the comment section, and I'll be glad to read your comments. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and remember to like, share, subscribe to Ann Lele YouTube channel for more and more videos. And also remember to click the notification button right next to it so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, bye.